I'm actually really excited to film this video because I love recording covers.
I'm standing right there.
It's just such a great way to relieve stress, just personally. So if that's you and you have a smartphone, then keep watching because I'm going to show you how I record my covers using my smartphone and Bandlab on my computer. So the first thing you want to do after choosing what song you want to sing is to find the instrumental for that song. So I got my smartphone on, my voice memo app is recording, and I just need to start singing. I usually hold my phone pretty close to my face. If you're like me, you have terrible memory and you're definitely gonna forget the lyrics as you're singing the song. So I'm just gonna quickly pull up the lyrics to July by Cyrus, and then we will proceed. Okay, I'm ready now. I'm ready.
I've been holding my breath, I've been counting to 10 over something you said. I've been holding back tears while you're throwing back beers. I'm alone in bed.
Olay's Retinol 24 faced.
I know where you're at, I bet she's around. And yeah, I know it's stupid, but I just gotta see it for myself.
Alright, so after you've recorded yourself, obviously save the recording and then upload that file to your computer. Then, once you've got your file on your computer, what you're going to do is log into Bandlab, create an account if you don't already have one, and then drop that track into a new project on Bandlab. So once you sign up for Bandlab, you're going to go into the interface and click on the Create button. You're going to get this pop-up window, click on Voice, and then drop your audio file into the workspace. So here's my sample cover of July. And let me just cut it to where I start. Oh, and before I forget, I'm gonna quickly rename my project and let's just call it Sample Audio. Actually, I'll just call it Sample. Let's say you're playing your track and you want to add an effect or a preset. What you're gonna do is click on the three little dots here. And then where it says preset, you'll see all of your options. I usually go with either classic chamber or large hall, but you can play around. So just to play the track for you without all the lags, I exited out of the workspace. I'm just gonna quickly play the track for you and show you what the track sounds like with the preset added on top of it. Let me play you the original audio file.
I've been holding my breath, I've been counting to 10 over something you said.
Okay, and then let me go back.
You know what, 10 over something you said. I've been holding back tears.
So I would say that applying that preset made my sample cover sound a bit more full and more like a folk song, which is actually the effect that I was going for. So I'm happy with how it sounds with the preset, but what I'm gonna do is go into the mix editor again. If you feel like the preset added a bit too much reverb or not enough reverb, then you can go into the effects panel here and play around with the buttons that you see here. You can change the levels here under equalizer. You can also decrease the room size so that your track doesn't sound too echoey. And you can also play with this dial here as well. Obviously, with every cover, with every song, the settings are going to be a little bit different, and you're going to want to play around with that if you're not completely satisfied with the preset. Once you're done editing your track in BandLab, make sure you click on Save, which I have already done here, and then click Download Tracks. And then once this is done, download button is going to show up, and then you can grab your file.
Talking away, I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay, and take. Walking away, I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find you.
After you've done a bit of tweaking in BandLab, you're almost done. You just have to save that track, export it, and voila, you have an MP3 file that's ready to go to be uploaded on SoundCloud or wherever you share your music. So let's play the final product, see how it sounds.
I've been holding my breath, I've been counting to 10 over something you said. I've been holding back tears while you're throwing back beers. I'm alone in bed, you know what? I know where you're at, I bet she's around. And yeah, I know it's stupid, but I just gotta see it for myself. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss her, oh.
Alright, so it actually doesn't sound too bad. I don't know, I hope this makes it easier for you to record impromptu covers on the spot. I know there was a little bit of editing involved here, but usually when I use this process, like, the end product isn't that bad. I think smartphone microphones are highly underrated because you'll be surprised at how it sounds. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you feel like it, if you feel compelled. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!